Ready for your morning run but realize your Google Pixel Watch is still sleeping? If your Pixel Watch is not turning on, we'll show you how to get it back up and running. It may not be turning on because its battery is dead, its software is out of date, your charger is broken, or your watch is damaged. First, check for any stuck buttons, corrosion, or damage to your watch. A stuck button could be the reason your watch isn't working properly. A little rubbing alcohol applied to a cotton swab can help remove any gunk. Next, make sure the watch is charged. Clean your charging dock, connect your device to its charger, and give it 15 minutes. No luck? Try plugging it into a different outlet or swapping out your power adapter. A forced restart may do the trick. Try restarting your watch using its physical buttons. Remove the watch from your wrist, then press and hold the side button and crown for around 7 seconds. Next, check your Google Pixel Watch app to see if the watch is paired. If it is, but the watch face is still black and unresponsive, it's time to try a factory reset. Factory resets can be scary. They involve erasing and resetting your device to its default settings, so this step should be a last resort. To reset your Pixel Watch, open the Google Pixel Watch app. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Reset and unpair watch. Tap Reset. When you're done, pair your watch with your phone and set it up again. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.